When installing our pit radio, the first thing you want to do is ensure you have proper clearance from the radiator and gas lines underneath the lid. Assuming you have proper clearance, the next thing you want to do is insert the radio through the lid and use the supplied lockdown nut to secure the radio underneath the lid. To activate our pit radio, simply take the magnet and place over the trademark logo on the top of the radio. To attach the radio to the Hall effect sensor, use the supplied Scotch lock connectors that are shipped with the radios. In the event that you need to extend the distance between the tank and the radio, you can use standard thermostat wire to extend that distance up to 100 feet.